Keep the fire burning. Believe. Follow your heart. I'm on my 40s now, and I'm here speaking to you. So, ikaw ba ay gustong maging content creator just like me on the middle age? Watch this video. So, lahat naman tayo dumadaan sa 0 view, 0 subscriber. But yung mga nauna sa atin guys ay naging successful dahil hindi sila tumigil, hindi sila nag-stop.
Hello guys, good day. This is Engineer May. Welcome to another interesting vlog. So keep on watching. Kwentuhan tayo guys. I'm in a middle age, but I like on here on YouTube. Wala ito noong 90s. Wala sa kapanahunan ko. Walang cellphone in my time. But change of time, dapat makikiuso din tayo. What I like on here on YouTube kasi guys, wala siyang age limit. Bata ka or matanda. Okay lang to be a content creator. Walang boundaries. Sky is the limit kasi all of us has a story to tell, to share, and worth other people's time. And so I got interested in learning how to edit videos, watching tutorials on YouTube. It is a self-help and for free. Yun ang gusto ko guys. Noon, talagang simple lang yung pag-edit ko. Along the way, matututo ka at mag-i-improve. I am a small YouTuber, but YouTube have taught me to be resilient. In a way, your skill have been developed from 0 to 10 as long as you are persistent to learn and make contents. It is also a tool for you to have a passive income. But if your intentions here in YouTube is on the revenue only, you will get disappointed. What I love about blogging is that you are free to express your opinion, your thoughts, and ideas, and be who you are with the people you can relate into. So, kung kaumpisa mo lang, do not quit. Dahil along the way, you will find your niche that people may love. Sabi ko nga sa previous vlog ko, to be authentic. Be yourself. Do not care about bashers. Anyways, we are not all perfect. We are just learning every day. May kasabihan nga, winners never quit, losers never wins. Mahirap talaga at first to be in this kind of platform. So today, I want to share to you 3 C's to keep you going. Una, commitment. You need to be committed to make contents. Tiring times in editing, hindi siya madali. So kailangang patient ka to edit videos na umaabot ng hindi lang 1 oras, kundi 1 araw. Minsan, 2 araw, yung iba nga 1 week, just to edit quality videos. But to put in mind na dapat masaya ka sa ginagawa mo, to have passion, kasi the end result of your videos will reflect the quality of that video. Make quality video guys that somehow balik-balikan ng audience mo at magustuhan ng mga new viewers or subscribers mo. Second, consistency. Watch out the channel analytics mo. Be sensitive sa content na may maraming views. It only means that your audience and subscribers like that. So, make a similar and related content on that. Third, but not the least, creativity. Ang paggawa ng YouTube, bilang mag-post ng content kung gusto mo. Kailangan may concept yon and use your creativity through learning and copying other ideas that you like. Which I fail because I never listened to the YouTubers that is ahead of us. Kaya dapat makinig tayo guys. Yan ang gusto ko dito sa YouTube. Tulungan. Very generous sa information na makakatulong sa pag-angat ng channel mo. Lahat dumadaan guys sa 0 subscriber. Lahat dumadaan sa konting views. Pero ang mga successful vlogger, hindi sila tumigil. Nagpatuloy, nag-aral, at nag-persevere. And above all, masaya silang nagbahagi sa kanilang mga content and ideas. So this is a challenge for all of us guys, aspiring YouTubers. Sana makakatulong tong simpleng tips.
So yan guys, don't forget the 3 C's. To be committed, consistent, and creative. Dahil malaking tulong to sa atin guys. So yan guys, ang simpleng kwento ko sa inyo guys. And hopefully these tips will help you grow your channel. I know guys, you can do it. And thank you again for watching. Hope to see you in my next vlog. Have a blessed day. Bye!